For your summative test number 2, there is another way in taking the summative test. Aside from downloading the app thatquiz on your mobile phones, you can directly go to the website. Okay, you can use your cell phones. Just choose or open whatever browsers are available in your phones. Example, I'm using Chrome, so I'm gonna click it and then just type that quiz that okay, so this is the setup in my phone. So I'm sure maybe in your phones you have different layout. It's because most of you are using mobile view. Okay, to change your view or the side view, just click the three that's in this corner. Okay, so let's click that and then just check this part here to have a desktop side view. All right, because if you're not going to check that one, you're gonna have this kind of layout. So this layout is not convenient, so I advised you use the desktop side view. Okay, but later on we will do that later on. All right, so first here you have to encode the test code, this part and this part. All right, so where can you see the test codes? You're going to visit now our FB group, which is here. Okay, this is our FB group, and just scroll here in this part. Okay, these are the codes. So every section's got different codes, and you have to encode that in the website. So here I'm going to select the test code for section MA. All right, so now let's go back and encode the code. Okay, so we have 340 capitalized or capital O and capital C, capital J as in jar, 9, capital P, capital M. So take note, you have to always remember in encoding the test code, this is capital. This is case sensitive, so meaning if the code is written in capital letter, then you have to encode that in capital letter. If it is in uppercase, in lowercase, it should be in lowercase. All right, so let's check 340CJ 9 p.m. Okay, that's correct. Let's enter the code. Okay, so now you can see that this is the layout. Now it says here to rotate your phone to start. Okay, so if you have this kind of layout or view, you have to change or you have to turn on your auto rotation in your phone. So you're going to go to your notification bar, choose auto rotate. Okay, in my case I have turned on the auto rotate on my phone, and now you're going to rotate your phone, and here you can see the text box for the student, and just click the arrow down and you can see the list of students here. Now again, I don't recommend using mobile view. Instead go back to your original layout and click the three dots on the upper corner, this part here, on this part here. Alright, now click that and check the desktop side view. Okay, now that you are here, you can pinch your phone. Pinch, is it correct? Okay, just reduce the size of your screen, or your, I don't know what's that. So just adjust the size, and then click the arrow down here and choose your name. Make sure that you choose your names and not the other student's name. Okay, let's try to choose someone here. Okay, click. And there you go. You can see here the length of the items, which is 50, meaning our exam has 50 questions. Okay, and on the right corner, this part, you can see here the number of your correct answers. Then at the below that, the number of wrong answers, and the clock, because this quiz or the summative test has a time limit, and for the 50 items questions, you need to answer all of it for 30 minutes. Okay, now how are you going to answer it? Just click the buttons, the circle buttons white, and if it is already in blue color, then you can click OK. And here, now you can see how many wrong answers and correct answers you got. Okay, after that, after you finish answering all of the questions, you will receive details regarding your exam, how many questions you get wrong, how many questions you got right, and how many questions you have no answers. So all of that information will be reflected after answering. Now, your scores are automatically recorded in the class records online. If you have questions regarding that, you can PM me, okay?